Welcome back to our AI series on machine learning. In this video, we're diving into unsupervised learning, where the algorithm explores data without labeled outputs. Let's demystify this fascinating aspect of machine learning. Unsupervised learning often involves clustering. Imagine organizing a closet, grouping similar items together. Algorithms like k-means and hierarchical clustering do something similar with data points. Another key concept is dimensionality reduction. Picture compressing a large file to save space. Algorithms like PCA, principal component analysis, help reduce the complexity of data while preserving essential information. Detecting outliers or anomalies is crucial in various fields. Unsupervised learning algorithms, such as isolation forests, excel at identifying patterns that deviate from the norm. As we conclude Part 2, you now have a glimpse into the world of unsupervised learning. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore reinforcement learning and its applications.